light green color, red color, deep green color, light blue color, purple color, orange color, brown color, yellow color. I will use all the colors in this video. Hey little kids, welcome back to my channel. Today I will learn you how to draw a beautiful rainbow apple with tracing. Here I draw a dotted picture. Let's connect all the dots and see it will be a beautiful apple. Follow me and try to draw with me. I draw the picture. Now it's time to coloring. Here I am using deep green color. Now I am using brown color. Let's color the rainbow apple. First one I am using red color. Now I am using orange color. And this is yellow color. This is light green color. And this is called light blue color. And the last one I am using purple color. Wow, the rainbow apple is looking so beautiful. You should also try to draw it at home. Now here I am writing the apple spelling. Do you know the spelling of apple? A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Bye bye little kids. Wow!